Hello everyone, welcome to the first round of Data on Kubernetes community challenges. And we have been discussing about how we can learn as a community together. The challenges are one way to do it. So let's get started. Well, most of you might be wondering, what is this? What is this cute little purple elephant doing here? Well, it is the Cloud Native PG's mascot, and we'll be using a Cloud Native PG operator to be solving our challenge. So let's go deep dive into it. Challenge 1. Spin up a Postgres cluster and connect it to an application of your choice. If you're someone extremely new, don't worry, I'll be linking an application of mine which you can use for this tutorial or for this demo. And you can write a blog about it as to how it felt, how you were able to spin up the cluster, how you had to use a certain technique to make sure it was connecting and working. So the simple task is for you to connect to it, make sure the API calls are working, make sure you are able to access the database, and that is pretty much it. Now, if you're someone who's advanced and would like to deep dive into it more, well, there's another task for you. Additionally, you can deploy this application to another cloud platform such as Azure, DigitalOcean, or Heroku. So that'll be this week's challenge. I'll be expecting blog posts, LinkedIn articles, LinkedIn posts, tweets about this. So let's get started and let's get going. Thank you.